Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Wild Vicky's. I'm Vicky. Thank you so much to everyone who subscribed, left comments, and sent me questions. How to make a special feather style macrame earrings. So today is actually what we are going to make together. To start, here's what we will need. Earring hooks. I'm using the ones with a loop at the bottom. Jumping rings. 4mm 4 strands cotton cord, 10 pieces for a pair of earrings. There are 10 cords cut to 30 centimeters each. Keep 2 cords 30 centimeters. A fine tooth comb. Now let's get started. Take one ring. Throw the jump ring and keep it in the middle. It's the base of our leaf. I call it leaf because it's green. It looks like green leaf. Next, we'll start ending more strings using a square knot patterns. Each section needs 2 strings, both folded in half. One goes under the center string and the other on top. 3 each throw the opposite loop. Then pull tight. Repeat this 3 times. You will have 4 knots total. I have 2 kinds of green colors. You can do like this, or you can use one color is okay. Now brush out the strands into a fringe. Trim it to your designed shape, wider or narrow, depending on your style. After trimming, give it another brush to smooth everything out. Now it's done. Just make another one to complete your pair. I also made one with green beads added as decoration. just to make it a bit more unique. I tried them on myself to show you how they look. The one on the right is a bit bigger without beads. It feels more natural and relaxed. Which one do you like better? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have questions or requests. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next video.